Hey y'all, today we're in Windows 11 and we're going over how to run a program as administrator. Let's get into it. So to start off, typically you'd want to run a program as an administrator if you need to do something in there that requires administrative permissions. One of the common things you would use this for is if you're using command prompt or CMD and you need to run a command that needs administrator permissions, you would run CMD as administrator and that way you could run the correct command. So for example, let's go ahead and open up the start menu. We'll type in command prompt and you can see we do have the option run as administrator. You can also right click on the icon itself and select run as administrator. It will prompt, do you want to run this as an administrator? And you can select yes. We're now running in an administrative mode and we can run whatever commands we would like to. Let me know if this video helped. Leave a comment and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.